2 powerful extruders, perfect multi-layer films. Auto die adjustment at real-time thickness control. Multi-angle adjustment, complete processing flexibility. 8K vision, instant defect detection. Automated downstream, consistent quality finish. TILTEX, where precision meets intelligence. Let's explore how this revolutionary system works. The TILTEX Labtech multi-layer cast film extrusion line delivers the ultimate precision, versatility, and intelligent automation you need to produce exceptional film quality. This sophisticated line is built upon 4 foundational pillars working in perfect synergy. First, we have the heart of the system, 2 high-performance single-screw extruders, coupled with a precision feed block and a flat die. Second, the innovative multi-angle roll stack, whose design focuses on maximum process flexibility, thanks to its full range of angular adjustment and large diameter rolls that ensure optimal surface contact. Third, a comprehensive downstream unit that handles everything from quality control to final winding. And finally, the brain of the operation, a fully automated, closed-loop auto-thickness adjustment system that ensures every inch of your film is perfect. Let's begin our journey where the material does, at the extruders. The line is equipped with 2 25mm single-screw extruders, each featuring a 30:1 LD ratio. To guarantee precision from the very start, each extruder is fitted with loss-in-weight feeders. These units precisely control the mass flow of the raw material. And here's what makes the difference. They're powered by a control program developed and tested by Labtech, specifically to ensure that the layer ratio of the final film is maintained with absolute accuracy. From here, the perfectly proportioned melt streams flow into the feed block and then into a coat hanger flat die. But this is no ordinary die. It is integrated with MCAD push-pull system, a motor-controlled system for the automatic adjustment of the flexible die lips. This system is comprised of 13 individual motor-controlled bolts. Each bolt is driven by a high-precision stepper motor capable of making incredibly fine adjustments of just 0.3 micrometers per step, with a total adjustment range of 2.3 millimeters. With an immense adjustment force of up to 7,400 newtons. This system can precisely manipulate the die gap against the high pressures of the polymer melt, ensuring immediate and accurate profile changes. But how does this intelligent die know where and how to adjust? That crucial information comes from the next unit in the line, the thickness gauge kappa. This is the sensory organ of our closed-loop system. Utilizing a non-contact sensor head positioned above the film, it combines both capacitive and eddy current principles to accurately measure a wide variety of films. It scans across a maximum measuring width of 500 millimeters, accommodating a film thickness range from just 20 microns up to 3 millimeters. The kappa and the MCAD die work together in a continuous feedback loop. The kappa scans the film, generating a high-resolution thickness profile. This profile is instantly compared to your desired set point. If any deviation is detected, the system sends a command to the specific stepper motor on the MCAD die corresponding to that exact point on the film. That motor then makes a micro adjustment to the die lip, correcting the thickness in real time. This is true, hands-off, automated process control. Once the molten film is perfectly shaped by the die, it is cast onto the multi-angle roll stack for cooling and solidification. This is where the line's incredible versatility truly shines. The entire 3-roll stack is mounted on a robust, motorized frame that allows it to be tilted to any angle between a completely horizontal and a fully vertical orientation. This is a critical feature because different polymers behave differently. Low viscosity materials, for example, are best handled on a vertical stack to prevent sagging and ensure a uniform quench. The multi-angle roll stack unit can also be adjusted forward and backward by the control system to perfectly align with the die position, ensuring optimal film casting geometry for any configuration. The 3 large diameter 350mm rolls are crafted from high-grade tool steel and polished to a flawless mirror finish. Each roll contains internal spiral flow channels and can be connected to its own water tempering unit, allowing for independent and precise temperature control up to 120 degrees Celsius. This level of thermal control is paramount for influencing the film's crystallinity, clarity, and mechanical properties. Safety is also integral to its design. It features safety pull cords on both sides of the machine, which allow an operator to immediately stop the rolls from anywhere in case of an emergency. Also, nip gap adjustments require a two-handed operation, forcing the operator's hands to be on the controls and safely away from the moving rollers. Immediately following the chill roll, the solid film passes through the inline gel counter. In applications where optical quality is critical, this unit is indispensable. Using a high-resolution 8K camera and specialized lighting, it scans a wide range of the film surface, detecting and classifying imperfections such as gels, carbon specks, and other contaminants. The camera position can be easily adjusted up and down, forward and backward using simple knobs at the rear side of the system, making setup and optimization quick and user-friendly. This provides an immediate, real-time quality report, allowing operators to see any upstream issues, saving valuable time and material. After the quality check, the film continues its journey. The edges of the film, which naturally form a slightly thicker bead, are cleanly trimmed by an edge cutter for film and sheet with a thickness of less than 500 microns. This blade system is ideal, while a rotary knife can be used for materials over 500 microns. The waste trim is then neatly wound onto cassettes located at the base of the machine for easy handling and recycling. The film then enters the pull roll unit, which pulls the web at a consistent, adjustable speed of up to 40 meters per minute. This unit consists of two rubber rolls, and the pressure between them can be adjusted to ensure a firm but gentle grip on the film. Finally, the finished, perfect quality film is wound onto a core. Operating this entire system is now simpler than ever with our unified control panel. Gone are the days of managing two separate screens for the loss in weight hoppers and line processing control. Everything is now controlled through a single integrated screen that puts all your process parameters at your fingertips. We invite you to witness this amazing technology firsthand. Labtech will be showcasing this very multi-layer cast film line at the upcoming K-Fair from the 8th to the 15th of October, 2025. It is the perfect opportunity to speak with our experts and see the machine in operation. On top of that, we are pleased to announce that special pricing will be available for any orders reserved for this machine. If you would like more information, please get in touch with us by sending an email to labtech@labtechengineering.com. We look forward to talking about how this technology can elevate your film production capabilities. Thank you, and we will see you next time.